Hey, welcome back. First casualty of the spring here. Looks like these rabbits are coming out starving. I'm pretty sure this is one of my quince, and I don't know if it's gonna survive. I don't know, it's not on pretty good there, but we're gonna go find a little cage and try to save that one. So this is exactly why you always gotta be propagating. So we're out here. We're gonna be going back into the greenhouse and potting up another 20 or so cherry trees and plum cots. And yeah, we're gonna take you around a little bit, show you what we're doing on or in the food forest. All right, stay tuned. All right, about last week or the week before, definitely we're growing some of our hazelnuts. These are all our bare roots. Plums, not quite coming out yet. I think it's a little early even for them, but yeah, there is some. You may not be able to see that there, but there's some leafage coming out on one of the plums. The hazelnuts are doing well so far, so good. Yep, seems to be. Got enough water, yep. We have over here in the corner here, this is a quince from last year's bare roots, and I might have to replace that one. I just saw that was damaged, and when we go to plant that one, we'll make sure we protect it a little better. I'm kind of neglectful when it comes to that. I've got a lot of hope, but apparently these animals don't understand. So, so there's nothing I can do. So here we go. But we're gonna get on to getting some planting. These are last week's. They did well in the greenhouse, so I'm gonna continue to plant them all. I might need a little bit more water. But yeah, we're gonna get them in here. Get them growing in the greenhouse really well. Bigger pot, bigger roots, bigger plant. So let's get going. All right, so I just wanted to show you real quick. I grew that in one of those little starter kits you get at, I don't know, even the dollar store or Dollarama, whatever you have in your neighborhood. And same thing. I was able to get a cherry to start in just this, and now I can transplant it into a bigger pot, and it'll get a lot bigger, a lot quicker. Now, the reason they're all kind of twisted is because I kept turning them in the light in my kitchen. So one day they would grow towards the light, then I'd flip it over and make it grow again, just to get it strong, because the wood's got to get strong as well. So it's good that it's going to be in here. It won't be long before it's too warm, and I'm going to have to get that fan running during the day, giving it a little bit of breeze in here. And then we'll be taking them back outside in another month or two. Well, at least 2 months, because we're probably won't be taking them out until at least May. Yeah, so we're probably even part of the June. But yeah, here we go. So basically the same thing as we did last week. Give it a little tap for Rooney. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some nice roots. Little nice root system there. So yeah, toss it in here. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, this is not really rocket science. I mean, once you've done one, you've done a million. It is important to time or tamp it, even ever so gently, even if it is a more gentler plant than this are, but definitely want to pack that down, get her started, and then we're gonna water them in. So that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna do that 30, what do I got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 23. This will make about 23 of these I gotta do. So again, push it in. It's nice and it tamps, and if it keeps tamping, then it's not, you haven't pushed hard enough. So just keep giving her a little bit more. We want to get a nice little mound going near the base of that little tree right there, and that's it. Just like that. Now I'm not going to pull out the heavy guns this time. I'm just going to show you the end mission here once we get cleared up and put these all in pots. And we might have to mark a couple of them. I know I keep a couple of them separated a little bit. So that's it. Let's get going. All right, so I've well watered these in here now. It's like 30 degrees in this greenhouse, so I need to get out and get some fresh air. Yeah, we just watered them in, and we're gonna see how it goes. I may have got a few mixed up in here. It's really kind of hard to describe them because the serrations on the edge of their leaves, like this is the plum cod. I'm pretty sure this is a plum cod. I'm 100%. You can see how the ridges go. And then if you look over here on the cherry, they're kind of the same, right? Broken down, a little broken up. They're not all the same. They're fairly large, comparatively speaking, to other ones. So yeah. Anyways, we got about 23, 4, something like that there, potted up, ready to go. These are all going into the food forest this year. We're just waiting on one more bare root delivery, and I just received my seeds for some shampoo ginger and it's my American Beauty Berry. All right, on to the next. So what I need to do is, I made a couple little cages here, just use some old scrap wire that I was using to seal them up or sew them up or whatever you want to call it. Got a couple of posts here. We're gonna definitely take care of the one quince for now. We're gonna wanna check it out, and at least we'll have these for later. If they don't work out, we'll use it on another plant. Because I definitely don't wanna be going through plant after plant because the rabbits are eating them. So let's get out there and cover up at least 2. We'll try to find another one that could use a nice little cage or protection until it gets big enough. All right, I'd just like to kind of do a quick update. Last week, these apples barely had any buds that were breaking at all. And now each and every one of them are broken now. All the buds are broken on this. All these are Royal Gala apples. My lilacs are definitely doing really well. But what I'm most impressed with is these Has caps. They are doing absolutely fantastic. They just love being in this greenhouse. I've already gotten flowers on them, which means they're gonna fruit way sooner than the ones outside, which haven't even broken bud yet. And then we got our gooseberry and our 2 currants here. It's a red and white currant. And yeah, everything else is getting some water, and that's about it. Okay, so we had a little persimmon over here that was a little unprotected, and I've already lost one to a rabbit, so I figured, hey, let's put one on here for now. We'll see how it goes. It's kind of growing into the cage, so I'll have to get a little bit of bigger one maybe. But yeah, we'll be making more of those for sure. All right, so the quince is now protected, but you don't know how it's gonna do. So yeah, she's bitten up pretty good. So they clean chopped it too. It almost looks like someone took shears to it. They just kind of nipped that top branch right off. But let's hope it comes back. They are been known to be pretty resilient. So, and that's it for this week, really. I know it's a short video, but was just getting done some menial labor that nobody really wants to watch over and over again. So you guys have a safe week. We'll see you next week. Take care.